morning, everybody. My name is Ramesh. Today, I'd like to discuss about the mathematics chapter quadratic equations. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a is not equal to 0. Why means because if a is equal to 0, here x square coefficient becomes 0. Then there is no a this coefficient x square coefficient 0 means then that is not a quadratic equation. Means quadratic means the degree of the given equation is 2 only, then we will call as quadratic equation. Then this equation becomes a linear equation. Okay, compulsory a is not equal to 0. Now I am taking one equation 2x square plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Why means here x square coefficient is not 0. Here 2. You have to find the factors by splitting middle term. Here if you first of all what number factors you have to find, you have to see. Here 2 into 6 x square coefficient and constant you have to see. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. You have to find the factors of 12. First of all, you have to see how many factors are there. There are first 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12 already written, and also 3 4s are 12. This here, how many factors are there? 6 factors are there. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Now, in this, which is suitable factor? When you multiply all, you are getting 12. But if you are adding, what is the middle term here? Middle term is 7x. You have to get 7. 7 means in this 2 plus 6, 8 getting. That's why this is not a suitable factor. And 1 plus 12, 12 getting, 13 getting, but we need to get 7. This is also not suitable factor. Next 3 plus 4, 7. This is a suitable factor. You have to choose the suitable factor this. And here 2x square 2x square plus 7x is split like this. 3 fours are 12, no 3x plus 4x. If you are adding, you are getting 7x. If you are multiplying, you are getting 12. Like this. Now, next, in these two 1 and remaining 2 1. In these two, take x common. If you are taking x common, here 2x is remaining. Here already took common, x means 3 is remaining. And next, in these two, 4 and 6 will go, common factor 2 table will go. If we take 2 common, then this is equal to 2x plus 3. 2 will go in 6 3 times is equal to 0. Now in this one common factor is 2x plus 3 is common factor. Then take 2x plus 3 common. 2x plus 3 if we take common, what is remaining in that x is 1 more and plus 2. These two are two factors you got. Now if we equate x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 2 transpose that side minus 2. Like that. Next 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to plus 3 transpose that side minus 3, then x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Means you got two factors, one factor is minus 2 and another factor is minus 3 by 2. These two are the factors of the given equation. What is mean by factors means when you substitute these two values, you will get, if you substitute minus 2 in that equation, 2x square plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0, you will get 0. Like that, similarly, you can substitute minus 3 by 2 also you get the 0. That's why you are calling as factors. Now we will discuss about the finding factors of general form. Already general form I told ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this equation factors, if you finding factors which you will get minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If you solve this equation by completing squares method, you will get the roots of this equation. Now I will explain about how will you get these roots for solving general equation. Now general form I already told you know. This is general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here first what is x square equation? To divide everything with a. Now ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0. Now here a and a cancel. Now what is remaining? X square is remaining here. Next this is b by ax, and next this constant term we transfer that side minus c by a. Now we have to find. I told you know this is solving by completing squares method. Completing squares method means you have to make it as either a plus whole square or a minus whole square. Now according to given equation x square plus b by ax. Here x coefficient is b by a, because you have to expand in terms of a plus whole square. A plus whole square means you need to find a value and b value first of all. According to given equation x whole square means you write x whole square. X square you write like this. Plus this is x coefficient means x coefficient, this is 2ab term. 2ab term means 2 into a value is x and b value if you take b by 2a, if you take b by 2a, then only why always what is x coefficient is there, that x coefficient denominator you have to multiply by 2, because here 2 is the coefficient, because of that coefficient you have to multiply the denominator. Always whatever number is there you have to multiply. Here b by a is there, the denominator is a, you multiply with 2. Then if you want to cancel 2 you will get x into b by a, you will get the same, you will not change the sum. Now you got a b values also is equal to minus c by a. Here a, you have to add b square term on both sides. Here a value is x, b value is b by 2a. Now you make it as a plus whole square means add b by 2a whole square on both sides. B by 2a whole square on both sides. Now x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b square plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Both sides you have to add a b square term. Here b value is b by 2a, I am adding both sides. Here what you are getting, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is in the form of a plus whole square, means x plus b by 2a, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a plus this one squaring on both numerator and denominator. B square by 2a whole square is 2a into 2a is 4a square. Now simplify RHS part. RHS part if you simplify, 4a square is a LCM. Denominator LCM is 4a square. A and 4a square LCM is 4a square. Then a will go in 4a square, 4a times 4a into numerator is minus c, then this becomes minus 4ac. Minus 4ac. Here 4a square will go in 4a square one time. 1 into b square, b square. Next, you'll write plus value first. Means x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Means x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Here x plus b by 2a is equal to x plus b by 2a square. Square, if you remove this side, will get plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here finding root. The plus x is, you need to find x value. Now x is equal to plus b by 2a, send this side, minus b by 2a plus or minus. Here root, numerator will not get root, that's why you write b square minus 4ac, and denominator b square minus 4ac. Denominator already found the root. 4a square root is 2a. Now b square minus 4ac by, here if you write 4a square. Next, you have to find the denominator root, means 4a square root is 2a. Now here common denominator is there. 2a is the common denominator. Is the common denominator is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic equation, general forms, finding factors. And also these are two factors are there. One factor is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and another one is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These two are the roots of the general equation. This is only using formula also. Whenever if you are not getting roots, you will substitute from general form. Suppose if you are taking previous equation 2x square plus 7x plus 12, in that x square coefficient is called a, x coefficient is called b, and constant value called as c. Those three values you substitute in this equation, you will get the roots. Whatever roots you already found, same roots you will get from that also. And also if you add these two, sum of the roots you will get minus b by a, and these two roots if you multiply you will get a product of the roots c by a. Thank you.